FOSSiBOT, a prominent Chinese technology brand recognized for its innovative portable power stations and accompanying accessories, has recently announced its expansion into the competitive smartphone market. The company's debut in this sector comes in the form of a rugged smartphone, developed to withstand challenging environments and cater to the needs of adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals working in demanding conditions. The FOSSiBOT F101 is a rugged smartphone crafted with the needs of travel and adventure enthusiasts in mind. With a focus on durability and performance, this device is purpose-built to excel in extreme outdoor conditions. The phone's robust appearance, coupled with its IP68, IP69 and MIL STD810G certifications, guarantees waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof capabilities, making it an ideal companion for those seeking reliable communication and functionality in the harshest environments. The appearance philosophy of the FOSSiBOT F101 revolves around resilience without compromising on style and usability. The device features a rugged exterior that exudes a sense of strength and dependability. Its reinforced corners, impact-resistant materials, and toughened glass contribute to its ability to withstand rough handling, accidental drops, and harsh impacts. One standout feature of this device is its impressive 3.5-watt speaker, which provides an immersive audio experience for users. The FOSSiBOT F101 speaker boasts a diameter of 36 mm, allowing it to deliver rich and clear sound. This size ensures that audio is projected effectively, whether it's a phone call, music playback, or any other audio content. The 5.4-inch display size offers the advantage of a compact form factor, making the FOSSiBOT F101 easy to handle and operate with one hand. This size is particularly convenient for individuals who prioritize portability and prefer a device that can fit comfortably in pockets, backpacks, or other small compartments. Despite its compact size, the FOSSiBOT F101's display doesn't compromise on visual quality. The HD+ resolution ensures that images and text appear sharp and well-defined, delivering a pleasing viewing experience for everyday tasks, such as browsing the web, checking emails, or watching videos. With a refresh rate of 60 Hz, the F101 delivers smooth on-screen motion, reducing motion blur and ensuring a seamless user experience. The FOSSiBOT rugged smartphone is powered by the Helio A22 chip, ensuring reliable performance and efficient operation. This configuration enables smooth multitasking, responsive app launches, and efficient handling of everyday tasks. While it may not match the performance of flagship processors, the A22 chip delivers a reliable and capable performance for the F101's target audience. To complement the processor, the F101 comes equipped with 4 GB of RAM. This generous amount of memory ensures smooth multitasking and allows users to switch between apps seamlessly. For storage needs, the FOSSiBOT F101 offers 64 GB of built-in memory. Furthermore, the phone provides the convenience of expandable storage. With the possibility of expanding the memory up to 128 GB using a microSD card, users can further increase the available storage space to accommodate their growing needs. The rear camera setup of the FOSSiBOT comprises multiple sensors, each serving a specific purpose. The primary camera boasts a 24-megapixel sensor with phase detection autofocus. This technology enables quick and accurate focusing, ensuring sharp and clear images even in dynamic or fast-paced situations. In addition to the main sensor, the F101 includes a 5-megapixel sensor in its rear camera setup. This secondary sensor offers depth sensing capabilities, allowing for the capture of photos with bokeh depth of field effects. Moreover, the F101 includes a 0.3-megapixel sensor as part of its rear camera system. While this sensor has a lower resolution compared to the others, it serves a specific purpose. The 8-megapixel front camera of the FOSSiBOT allows users to take impressive selfies and engage in high-quality video calls. With a massive capacity of 10,600 mAh, this battery ensures prolonged usage without the need for frequent recharging. In terms of standby time, the F101 impresses with its capability to provide up to 44 days of standby time. When it comes to recharging the FOSSiBOT F101, the device supports 18 watts charging. This means that users can quickly replenish the battery and get back to their adventures in no time. Running on the Android operating system, the FOSSiBOT comes with the latest Android 12 version. In conclusion, the FOSSiBOT F101 rugged smartphone is an impressive addition to the market, catering to the needs of travel and adventure enthusiasts. Its rugged appearance and IP68 and IP69 certifications ensure durability and protection against water, dust, and shock. The inclusion of a 3.5-watt speaker with unique grills and a powerful Helio A22 chip guarantee an immersive audio experience and reliable performance. The F101's 5.4-inch HD+ display strikes a balance between usability and portability, providing clear and vibrant visuals. Overall, the FOSSiBOT rugged smartphone combines durability, functionality, and immersive features to cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. Whether it's capturing memories, staying connected, or enjoying multimedia content, this device delivers reliable performance and an enjoyable user experience for individuals who embrace adventure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.